Buddy car.
He swerves to avoid the spikes and hits.
Ooh! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy BagChaserTavaris and the bit man. Hey man, say man, I am back again with another lit banger in today's video. You feel me? As you guys can see, man, we are sitting in the room and shit. You feel me? So if y'all know my normal videos, normally I'm out recording, vlogging, whatever the case may be. But I'm bringing something new to the channel, which will be reaction videos. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be reacting to police chases, things that's in the car niche. What I might start doing too for you guys is I might start having y'all send me y'all builds. If y'all want to do that, I'll react to y'all builds too, man. And the reason I'm kind of doing this does not mean like we getting rid of the vlogs and like the updates and me working on my cars and all that. We not getting rid of that. Come on now, gang. Y'all know me. I gotta show y'all the builds. So if you guys are new to the channel, y'all will have to get introduced to the builds, go to some old videos so you guys can see. But for my main supporters, for the ones that I love, you know what I'm saying, that show love to me, bro, I love y'all niggas, man. Stay with me, stick with me. So basically what I'm trying to do is I want to start posting every day, and it's kind of hard to do that with regular vlogs and stuff like that. So basically what I'm going to do is incorporate basically reaction videos for y'all. You know what I'm saying? That way I can drop every day and y'all can see my face every day. It's a win-win. I win, y'all win. You know what I'm saying? Then once the videos and all that start paying off, then I'll be able to start doing like my main content even more once the reactions and all that start to pay off. I kind of want to do a split. Mostly I definitely want to post reactions like every day, so y'all getting a reaction regardless every day. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want to stick to. We're gonna do that, and then I want to start posting like main videos probably like once or twice a week. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can get in that routine. If we can get that going, bro, we winning. You know what I'm saying? I win, y'all win. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get to see me every day. And yeah, so what we'll be reacting to today, so we got a yellow Daytona right here, 5.7 of course. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know it's only right for me to react to the Mopar. You feel me? Mopar, no car over here. You know what I'm saying? Mopar gang. If y'all not Mopar, then you might as well skedaddle off the channel. You know what I'm saying? Like just skedaddle off the channel. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This what we got today. It's a police chase. From what I seen, they did some pit maneuvering and some hitting and stuff. So let's see what he got going on here on gang.
Messing with stuff. He almost ran off the road.
And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, Daytonas, they actually pretty nice.
In the afternoon,
like if it's a clean Daytona, like stock, they look good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, in person, like the yellow colorways and stuff.
Dodge Charger for a traffic violation.
10-4. Y'all come on, I don't know what he's doing. He's throwing a bag around. We're at the end of the ramp. Shut it off! Turn it off!
Bro, officers be so
turn the car
I don't know, they be aggressive as hell.
The driver is refusing to turn off the engine.
Like gang, bro, what if this was a nice guy, bro? You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta yell, turn it off, turn it off. You know what I'm saying? You could have been like, well, I guess, man, let me quit talking, because I guess he gotta yell, otherwise buddy probably can't hear him. I know if it was my loud shit.
And just like that, he takes off.
Hey buddy, crank that bit back up, got up out of there.
We're going over the overpass.
Y'all think he gonna get away? Comment down below right now before we get too far into it.
Discover the power of Mizumo Auto.
How we getting hit with ass, gang?
Where precision meets performance.
For this little short vid. Come on now. Buddy gone though. Right blinker.
Get back on the interstate.
Oh, he put on his hazards.
He's
this nigga trying to bust a Yui. No. Hey buddy got the Daytona hit. What are you doing, gang? Like, bro, he does not have wheel. I mean, I think we all can agree to disagree, bro. Buddy does not have wheel, cuz when you in a chase, bro, I'm not condoning chases on this channel, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, when you in a chase, why is you slowing down, letting the police catch up to you, and then you gonna try to bust a U-turn like they not finna hit your car? Bro, you talking about a police officer, you think they care about them cars? That's what they got them ram bars on the front of the motherfuckers for, bro. Cause they know as soon as they hit you, they about to be in a brand new car. You know what I'm saying? They stuff finna be getting worked on, fixed, replaced. They don't give a damn about your shit. You feel me? Like, this would have hurt my soul right here if this was mine on gang. Like,
I hit him.
This nigga stupid.
And he hit him again.
Yeah, he fucking the Charger
Y'all
up,
come on,
cuz.
we're on the eastbound ramp.
And he just keep ramming it though. Like, bro, this is hurting me. It's not even my car.
He's still taking off.
And that motherfucker look kind of cool too though.
The driver now tries to get away by driving in reverse.
And that bit kind of sound kind of good though. I can't even lie though. That bit sound good. His ass tweaking though. Buddy ass is tweaking, cuz. He not going though. He not going for that. He trying to get up out of there.
We're right here. We keep hitting. Come on.
Shit. You talking about we keep hitting? He doing more hitting than the Charger. He damn near stuck now.
Heads! Heads! Show me your heads! Shut it off!
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. Like, in these moments right here, like, if I was in, like, a car chase and I got hit and they on the side of my shit talking about hands, oh, bro, I swear my hands will be out the window like these. Okay, like, hands right here. You know what I'm saying? No weapons. I be having weapons, but no weapons in my hand. Do not shoot. Please do not shoot. Like, that's probably, like, one of the scariest moments in the world to ever be in because police should be out here shooting motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? So, like, if y'all ever in a chase, bro, y'all gotta be careful with that. And like I said, I don't condone chases. Don't go on no chases. But I'm just saying, like, y'all gotta play it safe, bro, because police out here really be trigger happy. You know what I'm saying?
He's got the driver at gunpoint. But instead of giving up, the driver simply revs the engine.
He lucky right here.
Sergeant
He ain't
Clayton
shooting.
Dillion
Though.
arrives on the scene.
Look, he got him unstuck. This is one thing. Yeah, I don't. That shit weird. Police be hitting drivers and low key be helping them.
Again, taking off in a cloud of dust.
But he ain't going though. The hell?
Clayton, I can't see.
I wouldn't want to go out like the
So we're
old
going
either.
back across overpass. Passing Loves. He's got rear end. Looks like loose. He's gonna lose it here in a minute.
Damn, bro.
Clayton, come around me. Come on.
Sergeant Dillion is now taking over as the lead car in this pursuit.
Cookie, let Clayton around.
His shit fucked up. Well, he can't even drive straight. That motherfucker won't even drive straight no
with
more.
its back axle now broken is struggling to maintain control.
It's over with.
So we're coming up on Tampa Road.
You might as well give up, buddy.
In bad shape.
Hey, y'all peep, he just passed a clean old Charlie too. Hold on. Did y'all peep that?
In bad shape.
Look at that. Ooh, that motherfucker clean. If I was that Charlie driver, I'd be
Cookie,
sick
let me
seeing
around.
that
You've
for
already
him.
got damage from him hitting me.
They finna pit
Whoever's
his
coming
ass.
at us, watch him. He's already hit me twice.
Yeah, boy, I got the bike set up right here.
Fenders
All right,
flying off and
Clayton, back
shit.
off.
Like, where do he
Up
think
ahead,
he
an
finna
officer
go?
awaits with stop sticks.
Take cover, take cover.
Buddy car.
He swerves to avoid the spikes and hits
Ooh!
In a truck.
Shit, bro. Look how crunched his shit
still,
is.
the car keeps
How
on
is that
going.
still driving,
Not for
bro?
long.
Oh my god.
Go one, dog. Take him out now. I'm on the phone with him.
Hold on, y'all. We gotta replay that hit. I'm sorry, y'all.
It's
We
the
gotta
truck.
replay that. Okay. Watch this though.
He
Spikes.
swerves to avoid
Take
the
out the right.
spikes.
Boom!
Hits the truck.
He missed me in a truck.
And Buddy was on the side of the road
And
trying to,
still,
you know what I'm
the
saying?
car keeps on going.
Bro, how
but
is it
not
still
for
driving?
long.
That was crazy. The fact that this bitch still driving though.
Go one, dog. Take him out now.
Yep, it's over with now. Buddy in the ditch. Where he thought he was finna go?
They took him out.
Heads! Heads! Sorry,
This
They now
crazy,
have the driver
bro.
surrounded at gunpoint.
Buddy's cooked.
Get off!
He getting all type of charges.
Clear the vehicle, Cookie, clear the vehicle! Well, that was stupid.
Hey, his
No-
shit kind of
no
slow
way.
though. I ain't even gonna cap
Placed
to y'all.
under
Bro.
arrest.
Why didn't you stop? Hey, you got felony fleeing and a whole bunch of other charges. Will I be able to get out tonight? No, hell no.
Ain't no way that nigga just said, "Will I be able to get out tonight?" What the fuck wrong with this nigga? Cuz hell no, like he ain't even care. That nigga had no remorse for running. Cuz what the hell? But anyway, y'all. Like I said, bro, we gonna start trying to incorporate more of these so y'all can, you know what I'm saying, chill with me more. Like I said, I'm one of them niggas, bro. I really don't be outside like that ever since the police been cracking down on the car scene anyway. Both of my cars is down right now. So we got the blue 300, the white 300, Jeep build going on. All my cars down right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know this. Like I said, I got old videos I will be posting here soon. I got to catch up on those main videos. Like I said, I'm still gonna be posting main videos probably like twice a week. Hopefully I can catch up on those. But once those go up, you guys, as you guys can see, I cut my beard too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all probably don't care about this shit, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Y'all chilling with me and shit. But anyways, y'all, back to what I was saying. Whatever, I lost my train of thought. If you guys notice, that's why I say anyways a lot, or you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's why I say that a lot, because normally most of the time I lose my train of thought because I be trying to think so fast. But basically, yeah, the Jeep, something's going on with the transmission now, so I have to figure that out. And I just put a mod on there too. I'm saying visual mod, and it looks clean and crazy. If y'all got me on Instagram, y'all already got some sneak peeks of that. You know what I'm saying? I didn't drop the main video on that yet, but that main video is coming. So if you guys want to see that, like I said, if you guys fuck with the vids and stuff like that, and if you guys want to see like my supporters that already support me now, if you guys want to see more like reactions, you know what I'm saying, I watch these videos anyway. Like I like watching police chases, Mopars, and all that anyway, you know what I'm saying? So why not just watch it with y'all and get our little bucks up and chill with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because if these bucks go up, that means more parts for the cars. You feel me? So y'all can help me help y'all on gang. But if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, if you guys want to see more reactions, go ahead and comment down below. What should I make y'all comment down below? Let's see. So reactions plus main vids. Just comment down below content. You know what I'm saying? Both do both. Comment do both. Or comment down the little devil head, the little, y'all know what I like to put on there, you know what I'm saying? The little devil shit. We don't promote the devil or nothing like that though, you know what I'm saying? We only God driven over here, Jesus driven over here, you know what I'm saying? Pray to God every day and every night. That's what y'all need to do. I see y'all niggas next one on Gang Ski. Yeah.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
Alright, bro.
It's harder to the game. I'm wondering what make niggas hate me. Just mad cause they ain't me. Been plotting on me lately. Got my file, won't let them take me. Mama knew I was a problem ever since I was a baby. In that field and I've been throwing down just like I'm Brady. Go spot a hop, I toss the Glock, he scored just like he was McGrady. I'm the hardest in my city. Niggas sleeping must be lazy. Hit this bitch.